Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So in today's episode, I am building a rock bumper for a lowrider. So this is what I have. I have square tubing, which is 2x4, and it is a 1/4 inch thick. This is basically almost bulletproof. Now, I bought two 2x4, and I'm gonna make two rock bumpers that are gonna be identical to each other. One is for me, the other one is for my younger brother. He has a 3rd gen 4Runner just like me. So this is what I'm doing here, guys. You can see here, this is a 3/16 thick plate. I'm gonna be plating this side, upper side, lower side, making it into a C channel, and then I'm gonna transfer the C channel over and put it on top of here and weld it on. And then after that, as you can see, just imagine a 2x4 running across here, and then I'm going to make a tube for the protector for the rear quarter panel here. Okay guys, so this is what I did so far. Tack this in place here. The bumper will be welded onto here. Tack that in place as well. Now I'll let you know, I'm gonna have to remove this. See, it's just tacked on so that it'll form the shape of this C channel here. And so I'm gonna put it on the bumper. We're gonna weld it on or tack it on. So this is how this thing will go on. It'll slip on like this. And then I'm gonna weld this thing on, finalize the weld here. Well, I won't finalize the weld here at all, period. I'm gonna start drilling holes first. So you can see here, this thing goes here. I'm gonna drill one hole here, one hole here, one hole here, one hole over there, and one hole here. And there'll be 2, 4, 6, 5 holes on each side. So that way it'll be one solid piece. Maybe just one hole. Yeah, 2 holes here and 2 holes up here. Yep, coming along really nicely. Okay, so it's tacked in here, and 1, 2 on the side, so forth. We're gonna go and see if we could just plug it in. Okay, so the job is not done yet, guys. Basically, I'm gonna make tubes that goes this way, up this way. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. Basically what this is gonna do, this is gonna bend like this 90 degree. It's gonna go that way, it's gonna go down, it's gonna come here, back to here. Alright guys, so this is how the bad boy looks. So I welded on the D shackle here in here. This is how it looks like here. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna cut this hole here, put this right here so we could tow. Alright guys, so this is what I did so far. As you can see, I made some modification to my mounting bracket there. I moved the bumper up a little bit, and so I gusseted this area. Okay, in here I have welded on the D shackle here, and the other one right there too. I fabricated this out of raw metal. I did not order this from eBay. This is a 1/2 inch metal right here. And so here I am welding on the tow receiver. It's coming along really, really nice. So this is how she looks like. This is how I welded the butt. Basically I welded the end here, the end here, like that. And I reinforced it like this. Here, this is how I welded the butt end of the receiver here. Okay. And so here, I did the same. Okay, I welded here. And then I reinforced it there. And I'm gonna have to weld here to reinforce that weld right here, here as well, in here, and also down here, and here as well. Okay, it's not done yet. We're not out of the woods yet. Okay, so this is how the bad boy looks. Very nice, I like it. Okay, so this is how she is. Okay, so this is how she looks like. This is just tacked on. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. The two thingamajig there is welded on. This is how she looks like. So now, what I need to do is I need to fabricate a leg that goes here to there. It's very easy. And then after that, I'm going to fabricate a leg that goes like this. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun doing this project. You can see she looks really nice. Okay guys, so she is done. This is how she looks like. Painted with truck bed coating. This is how I mount it. This is how she's mounted. Okay. Those are 9/16 bolt here. Torque to 40 pounds. And then these are 19mm bolts right here. Torque to 75 pounds each. All three of them, four of them actually. So that's how they look here. Here on the other side, same thing. So I'll show you how she looks like. That's how she looks like. Well, let me know if you like this. Let me know what your thoughts are. In the next episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding a swing out to it. Apologies for the background noise. That's my neighbor cutting his lawn. So in the next episode, I'll be making a swing out here. Okay. I will be fabricating brackets to hold the hinges, and it's going to swing out this way. So stay tuned. If you like this build, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next swing out episode.